This is Glenn Rice with Clearview Sewer Cams. We're located at 24226 Park Athena, Calabasas, California, 91302. Today is November 5th, 2021. We're performing a video sewer inspection through a 4-inch ABS cleanout located on the right-hand side of the front door in the plant area. This goes out towards the front of the property here. And this is our 4-inch ABS cleanout here. And what we're going to do is we're going to zero out our camera monitor here. And we're just going to go ahead and continue to push out, drop down and push out all the way out into our city sewer tie-in. So it does appear that we transition to white PVC sewer piping. So we're just going to continue to push out slowly. We've got a little bit of a lump here in the white PVC sewer piping. We're just going to continue to push out. And I'm going to pause right here for a moment. As you can see, we do have a fairly large offset in this joint here from about the 9 o'clock area going all the way around to about the 5 o'clock area. And again, it does appear that we're transitioning to what appears to be a short section of black ABS sewer pipe. So what we'll do is we'll just continue to push out, and then when on the way back we'll pull back in that area and take a good look. And again, as you can see in this area here, you can see that we are up against an offset in this area. We'll just pull back just a little bit, and you can see that the offset there is around from about the 3 o'clock area going all the way around to about the 10 o'clock area. So we're just going to pause our mic here for a moment, see if we can get up and over this area. Okay.
Hey, how you doing?
Again, we transitioned back into what appears to be white PVC sewer piping. So again, there is a section there that it does appear that they possibly did a repair. And again, we're just going to continue to push out. And we're going to make a little bit of a turn. And it does appear that we transitioned to what appears to be black ABS sewer pipe. And again, we're continuing to push out. And it does appear we got a little bit of a belly in that area there, but it does appear to be a short belly. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to push out. And we're going to make a little bit of a turn, and then we drop down into our city sewer tie-in. So we pull back just a little bit, pull back right to that area there, and as you can see, that is our city sewer tie-in. So I'm going to pause here for a moment. Okay, again, as I mentioned, we pushed all the way out into our city sewer tie-in. So what we're going to do now, we're going to pull back slowly. And again, as you can see, we are in our city sewer tie-in. And that is our saddle area there. We pull back, we make a little bit of a turn. And again, we are in black ABS sewer pipe. So we're just going to go ahead and continue to pull back. And we'll just continue to pull back. And that joint appeared to be in fair condition. Again, right here in this area here, you can see a little bit of an offset in that joint there. We're going to push back out just a little bit.
All right.
You can see right here in this area here, you can see we do have a little bit of offset in that joint there from about the 6 o'clock going all the way up and around to about the 1 o'clock area. So what we'll do is we'll pause here for a moment and just mark this area. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and it is in the driveway on the right-hand side of the driveway next to the grass area, and it is at 5 foot 10 inches deep, and it does appear that they possibly had done a repair in this area. But again, as you can see in this area here, we do have a belly. We are holding water in this area, and we do have an offset there from about the 6 o'clock going all the way up to about the 1 o'clock area. So we're going to pull back slowly. And again, push in just a little bit. Right here you can see that we do have an offset in this joint as well. This joint here is just approximately 4 feet. As we pull back, 4 feet pulling back, there is another offset in this joint as well. So again, we're going to pause here for a moment and locate this area. Okay, again, we went ahead and located this area, and it is about approximately 2 feet back from the initial area. And again, there is a section of concrete driveway that had been repaired, cut open and repaired, and these repairs are probably due for this black ABS sewer pipe in this area. So again, we're just going to pull back. Make a little bit of a turn, transition back into white PVC sewer piping. So again, we're just going to continue to pull back. And we do have another large offset in this area here, as you can see. So we're going to pull forward just a little bit. Continue. Right here, and we're going to pause right here for a moment and locate this area. Okay, again, we went ahead and marked this area at 5 foot 9 inches deep. And again, this is just to the left of the driveway next to a large tree in the grass. And we did mark it with an orange flag at 5 foot 9 inches deep. And as we pull back just a little bit, we can see that we do have a fairly large offset in that area. So in that area there, water that continues to run out is running out through that gap and possibly getting into the soil. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to pull back, and as we pull back, you can see here, we do have another fairly large offset in this area here. So we're going to mark this area as well. And this offset is fairly large from about the 9 o'clock going all the way around to about the 5 o'clock area. You can see the complete opening in the pipe there at the top. So we're going to go ahead and push back in just a little bit. Right about here. We're going to pause here for a moment and locate this area. Okay, again, we went ahead and located this area, and it is to the right of the driveway in the grass next to the tree. We did mark it with an orange flag at 5 foot 2 inches deep. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to pull back. And again, we got a little bit of a lump there, but again, we're just going to continue to pull back. Heading back towards our clean out, and we're going to pull up and out of our clean out, and that will conclude our video sewer inspection.